Welcome back, everybody. Third episode, You Have the Floor, presented by ARDEX. Taking the floor today is one of our product managers, Jody Proudfit. How you doing today, Jody?
Doing great. How are you?
Doing all right. Glad it's Friday, man. And with that being Friday, we're now into a new month, May 1st here. Perfect time for, kind of that hot weather. It's not really feeling like that here in PA this year so far, but what would you say makes spring and summer the busiest time for concrete repair and resurfacing?
So this time of the year is a great time for concrete repair. As the temperatures kind of warm up from that deep freeze thaw cycles that we've had throughout the spring, we're starting to see stabilization of those temps, but it gives us an opportunity to go out and make some of those wintertime repairs to our concretes, our sidewalks, our driveways, our lead walks and whatnot, because the temperatures are a little bit more forgiving throughout the day. So it starts a little bit cooler in the morning, giving us a little bit more work time into the midday, allowing products to cure through the afternoon, and then allows us to seal them in the afternoon when it starts to cool off a little bit more.
Great. And so, the two products that we're really going to focus on here today are ARDEX CD and ARDEX CP. Can you explain the difference of when you'd want to use those two products?
Sure. So these two products are actually part of a multi-product system that ARDEX has created for concrete repair. So the first product that we'd focus on is ARDEX CP, or concrete patch. This is a product that we use after we've prepped and cleaned the surface to fill any deep spalls, any deep repair areas that a quarter of an inch or greater, and following ICRI standards. The idea there is you're going to patch all those deep spalls so that you can come in and dress them with ARDEX CD or concrete dressing with roughly around an eighth of an inch of material. So you go deep fill with your CP, you come over the top of that and you dress it or camouflage that repair area with ARDEX CD, and it makes that concrete look fresh and new again.
Nice little, 1-2 punch action there, as you'd say.
Oh, exactly. It's part of a system, and our system is really designed to help you in all facets of concrete repair.
Great. And like you said, help is a huge thing with a lot of our products here. We want to help make these products contractor friendly. So with being in the hot, summer and everything coming down with the sun and all that, what makes these products kind of fit that vibe of contractor friendly?
So the first thing with ARDEX, both products are from ARDEX CD and CP, is that they're both very easy to mix. They only mix with water, so you're not having to add any additional liquids or gels or anything to make them work. You don't have to put any retarders in them. They really just work with water, and it's a really easy mix that you can do with a standard drill right there on site. We would probably recommend making sure you're doing it in the shade. Yeah, not exposing yourself to direct heat.
Yeah, don't want to get too hot out there.
Yeah, and using some cool water. You don't want it to get too hot or start setting a little bit fast. But yeah, the reality is that these products are very easy to mix, very easy to then place. They have great working time. One of the advantages with ARDEX CD is that it has that balance between placeability, as well as that working time that you need to put a nice broom finish on it. So many products in this area will set really hard, really fast, making it really hard to get that really nice broom finish. And CD has that really good balance that allows you to really finish it right.
Like you said, that kind of ease of everything, getting your job started. You have the two products, CD and CP, and you got it done. It's really easy for these contractors, no matter the conditions outside.
Oh, 100%.
Perfect. All right, I'll give you one more question. If somebody's not used these products, you got one sentence to kind of sell them on it. If we haven't done it already with this podcast, what would you tell them, to go out and get these products for their use?
Well, I'd ask the question, what are you waiting for? These products are so user-friendly, and the aesthetic that you achieve when you apply these two products together is amazing. The reality is that our CD provides that really nice, smooth gray cover-up of repairs. You can broom finish it and really return that to service really quickly in comparison to other methodologies. We're really talking about the difference between tearing out and replacing concrete that could take 28 days versus getting something turned around in a day.
That's a big difference right there.
That's a big difference.
Yeah. Well, Jody, I appreciate you joining the show, and thank you for checking out the latest episode of You Have the Floor. You can catch every episode right here on our YouTube page, ARDEX Americas. Plus, you can stay up to date with everything ARDEX on all of our social media sites. Hey, man, thank you for joining us. Take it easy, and we'll see you back here next month for the latest episode of You Have the Floor.